I got something interesting here today. This is dual monitor arm from Atumtek, but what separates it from other ones out there is the gas spring system. So let's check out what you get in the box and how to assemble it, and I will show you how it functions. Everything that you'll need comes right in the box, but please be careful when you remove this Velcro strap as they are loaded, so it can hurt you pretty badly. There is also a sticker here warning you, so please be careful, hold it tightly when removing the strap. Mounting is fairly simple. You got the table clamp here, which you first position at the desired spot on the desk, and then you tighten the knob underneath and make sure it's secured. After that, there are these plastic thingies you insert, which are used to hold the arm at the desired height. Now, these are dual arm, but they can be used for a single monitor as well. I will demonstrate the use of a single arm as I do not have two monitors, but I am planning to get one more in the future, which I hope will improve my productivity. Anyhow, after attaching the holder for the arm, you can safely put the arm on top of the rod. Arm is spring-loaded and can be positioned in any direction. If you like to move the monitor a lot, or in general have a need for that, then these types of arms are a must-then. Time to attach the VESA adapter to your monitor, and here is the best part. You just slide it in the arm until you hear a click, and that's literally it. So easy. On each arm there is a tension adjustment knob where you can adjust the tension of the load capacity for each arm with the included Allen key. They can each hold up to 9 kilograms of weight on each arm and supports monitors up to 32 inches in size. Now, if your monitor is falling down or perhaps won't stay in place when you set it, then you need to adjust the tension of the arm, which I mentioned in the beginning. Monitor can be adjusted in all angles. You can even rotate it in full 360 degrees, but beware of the cables in such case, or rotate 90 degrees at a time. Anyhow, check this out, cable raceways, so you can neatly organize your cables, and you also get the ones for the monitor arm as well. So once fully adjusted with all the cables in place, a setup with this arm will look so elegant and organized. When you add the second monitor to this arm, you have the option to configure the orientation however you like it. So you can position one monitor vertically on the side if you like it that way, you can position one on top, and so on. Angle can be adjusted as well. Just bear in mind that for some orientations you will need at least 20 to 30 centimeters from the wall for the arm to move freely. So consider this, as you will need to pull the desk away from the wall then. So overall, this is a much better solution than any basic arm, which is limited and it can be used only in fixed position.